Today, we are going to talk about how ethics and morals relate to society, how they are presented every day, what affects them, and where they originate from. Ethics began as early humans realized survival is what was desired most. As they communicated with each other, they understood that they needed to work together to achieve that. As Thomas Hobbes believed, humans in the state of nature were brutish and short. To overcome that, communication was necessary. Now, we will look at how society was formed through common fears and understanding of those common identities. These early humans had a common fear of survival to unite them and allow them to work together. The trust each person had in the other established order for the growing societal group. So, what factors do religious morals play in creating the society alongside common predicament ethics? As more and more people came together to form early societies, they used religion to explain how the world worked. The society realized their world worked as the members survived. So, according to religion, survival was the main idea of the gods, and to be good to one another and get along was to ensure this survival. Now, we will examine how ethics are intertwined into politics and the effect of the relationship and societal impacts due to government. As society formed, common ethics and morals flourished among select groups. In these societies, governments were established to allow the distribution, security, and enforcement of these common ethics. This was created by voting for representatives that held the same ideals as the people voting for them. Let's recap on all points stated previously to understand the roles in society that ethics and morals hold. Society begins with the communication of ideals. Common predicament ethics and logical thought initially brought people together. Religion began to explain why people should be moral to each other. These views were voted into politics to establish these ethics. The government in turn enforced these laws back into society through enactment. All in all, we see that ethics and society both play a role in the relationship to one another as they work together. At first, our goal was to try and seek truth in finding the relationship of ethics and society. As we delve into it, we now see that they affect each other in more ways than one. In conclusion, survival, religion, and government are some obvious examples of this relationship between the two.
Created using Powtoon.